A message from the deep, Voyager 1's 5-month silence broken, approx. 980 words. A collective sigh of relief rippled through NASA on date, as a faint signal pierced the vast emptiness of space. After an agonizing silence of 5 months, Voyager 1, humanity's farthest flung emissary, had spoken once more. Launched in 1977, this intrepid spacecraft had ventured over 15 billion miles from Earth, carrying a message of peace and scientific wonder for any civilization that might encounter it. The unnerving silence that began on November 14, 2023, threatened to cut off communication with this ambassador of humanity, leaving it adrift and silent in the interstellar void. The ominous silence. The usual data stream from Voyager 1, a steady flow of information about its health and the surrounding interstellar environment, abruptly ceased on that November day. In its place, engineers at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, JPL, received a cacophony of nonsensical binary code, a digital garble that hinted at a critical malfunction. The specter of permanent silence loomed large. Operating far beyond its original design lifespan, Voyager 1 was a marvel of 1970s engineering, pushing the boundaries of its capabilities. Each passing day raised the possibility that the glitch might be terminal, leaving humanity's lone voice in interstellar space forever unheard. A delicate diagnosis. The situation demanded a measured approach. Communication with Voyager 1 takes a staggering 20 hours each way due to the immense distance. Sending a fix required not only pinpointing the issue but also crafting a solution that the aging spacecraft could understand and execute. The JPL team embarked on a meticulous troubleshooting odyssey. Days bled into weeks as they dissected the nonsensical data, compared it to past anomalies, and meticulously combed through historical records. It was a scientific detective story playing out across the vast gulf of space. A beacon of hope. Finally, a breakthrough emerged. The culprit seemed to be a malfunction in the Attitude Articulation and Control System, AACS, the system responsible for keeping Voyager 1 pointed towards Earth for optimal communication. With meticulous planning and a series of carefully crafted commands, the team devised a workaround. They instructed Voyager 1 to switch to a redundant set of valves within the AACS, essentially giving the system a reboot. The wait was agonizing, but after those excruciating 20 hours, a new transmission arrived. This time, it wasn't digital gibberish. It was a clear and concise stream of data, confirming the success of the maneuver and Voyager 1's restored ability to communicate. A testament to human spirit. The successful repair of Voyager 1 stands as a testament to human ingenuity and unwavering perseverance. It showcased the dedication of the engineers who refused to give up on a machine that had served humanity for over 4 decades. It also highlighted the incredible resilience of Voyager 1 itself, a machine that had defied expectations and ventured further than any other human-made object in history. Looking forward, the restored communication allows Voyager 1 to resume its critical scientific mission. The data it sends back provides invaluable insights into the little-understood realm of interstellar space, the vast expanse between stars. However, the silence also served as a stark reminder of Voyager 1's inevitable mortality. Its fuel is dwindling, and its systems are bound to experience further degradation. Yet, for now, a distant friend has spoken once more. Voyager 1, a symbol of human curiosity and ambition, continues its lonely trek into the cosmos, carrying with it the hopes and dreams of a species that dares to reach for the stars.